Hi, welcome back to my channel. Skip the store because today we're proving why buy it when you can make it. I have this super easy, budget-friendly DIY for you. So I have this simple cardboard boxes and then we're going to turn them into this beautiful light up 3D joy letters or marquee lights. Of course, you can use the same design for words just like love, hope, or any special name. But if you need a specific word, just pop it in the comments and I'll put the template in the link right away. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, cut some cardboard into A4 and A3 sizes. Find the template for this joy lettering in the description below. Cut out the template. Trace the templates onto the cardboard. Then create two identical cutouts. Using the A3 size cardboard, measure 4 cm and make some card strips. Then measure and mark 1 cm on each card strip. Cut some fringes until the marked line. Now take a set of a cutout. Grab a card strip, bend the fringes. Apply glue around each letter cutout. Place the bent fringes around the edge of the letter just as shown, following the curve and outline of the cardboard cutout. Connect another piece of a card strip to complete the whole outline. Trim the excess cardboard so it fits properly. Now, do the same for the rest of the letters. Take the second set of letter cutouts and punch holes all the way around each letter. To make the stand, use another A3 cardboard. Measure and draw two horizontal lines, one at 13 centimeters and the other 1 centimeter below it. Make a crease to bend the cardboard easily. Fold the shorter side and measure 1 centimeter vertically on one side of the fold. Bend this side of the cardboard and fold it following the horizontal line. Trace the folded side and cut the excess part. Measure the stance length using the letters as a guide. Fold each side of the stand to close the gaps. And add glue to secure it. It's time to start painting the 3D letters and the stand. Apply some glitter for a sparkly finish. Time to paint the hole punched letters. Lights, grab a string of fairy lights that is 2 meters in length. Place a string of lights inside and arrange them following the shape of the letter. Trim the sides of each letter so the lights can connect smoothly between them. Add some tape to secure it. Then add glue around the edge of it and stick the hole punch letter for the cover. Allow the glue to set so you can easily arrange and fit the cover. Finally, take the stand. Find and mark the placement of each letter before attaching it together. And add some double-sided tape on the switch to secure it. And there you have it, your very own DIY cardboard light-up sign. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!